Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I will be unboxing this Witchy subscription box that I got from Great Joy. It's called Magickal Earth and it's supposed to combine tarot, astrology, and crystals and all that good stuff that I really like. They have 3 box sizes. Basic, which starts at $11.66. They have Essential, which starts at $24.16, and then they have a Premium starting at $39.99. This is the one that I got, but because it was a month-to-month subscription or just a one-time thing, it costed $49.99, which is very expensive. I realize I probably wouldn't sign up for a monthly subscription that costs $49.99. But obviously I just wanted to get more stuff to see their selection, and it's just a one-time thing, just for review purposes. In their description, it says that each month the box will be curated to offer provisions to match that month's energy. The basic comes in a package and includes monthly amazing crystals, just crystals. The essential box includes crystals, a monthly astrological overview, and a tarot card drawn just for you. And the premium box offers crystals, astrology, tarot, and many other magical items. The first thing that I noticed, this is the package. This is my head. So I think for $49.99, this box looks very, very small to me. So I already kind of think that I'm not gonna get my money's worth, but we'll see. We're gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you guys every item and I'm gonna give you my opinion. So this is what the little box looks like. It has a bunch of really cool drawings. It has their logo up there. And now we're gonna take a look inside the box. So it has like pretty packaging, really nice tissue paper, and a little like thank you sticker. And then here is everything. So I think when I signed up, I'm gonna double check on that and I'm gonna include that information in the description down below. But I think when I signed up, I put my birthday so that they know my astrological sign. It's all personalized to you and your sign, which is good. And then on the top we have this little card. I'm gonna read that later probably, but it tells me what the month is all about. It says this month, September 23rd until October 22nd, is about relaxation and meditation. So they said they went with palm stones this month. So they have a list of all the stones that are included here, and then at the back of the card is their like social media and contact info, which is cool. Then on top of that is a little envelope. Oh my god, I really love how everything is like packaged and put together. I think it's really pretty and kind of like magical, interesting. So when you open it, you have everything is really cute. Then they have a personalized little card for my sign, Gemini. And then the rest is about Libra, which this month is until October 22nd. It's the Libra birth month. This little booklet tells you about the movement of the planets, etc. during the month. So it tells you what happens on 9/23, which is the first day of Libra, and then it tells you basically some things that you need to know about the planetary movement on specific days over the month, which is pretty cool. Like it gives you advice what to do on those days and what's happening with the planets, which I think is pretty cool. So next up I see my tarot card of the month, which is 2 of coins, or like 2 pentacles. I actually read tarot, so I know what this card means, and I think this really well captures my energy right now. But it also gives you like a little card that tells you what the card means, and then on the back it has this cute moon. Next up, they tell you about that meditation bowl, hand-hammered meditation singing bowl. They tell you how to use it, what's in there, what you need to do. But these are all the instructions of everything. They have instructions on the stones as well. Here we're getting the eye mask, which is really pretty. Like it feels like satin. I love the color. It's a good quality mask. I'll definitely be using it, and it goes with the theme of the month, which is relaxation, so that's perfect. In this bag is the singing bowl. I've never literally never heard of this. Like, I read about stuff like that all the time, but I haven't heard about a singing bowl. And I'm gonna be really interested to see what it is. So inside the little baggie, there is this thing, which I don't know what it is. And then there is the bowl itself. It has this little ring. I don't know what any of this is, but they both look like high quality. This is wood and this is metal, like brass maybe. So they're not cheapish in any way, shape or form. So basically the thing about this bowl is that it creates vibrations when you're like using it. It looks like you have to be like holding it like this and like hammering this thing inside. And it says that it creates deep vibrations that can relax your mind and release stress. I'm definitely gonna try it. We'll see how it's gonna go. Next up we have the little lavender baggie, and this smells amazing. I think it's great to like put it in your closet or in one of your drawers with like clothes and stuff so that they smell nice. This is awesome. And then we have the crystals in little baggies like these. The first one is the white Howlite. I need to read about it, but it's a calming stone. I wouldn't say this stone is very big. It's that big. So when I go to Salem, I have a couple stores where I like to go for crystals, and the crystals that they sell there, they're like sometimes as big as this one, sometimes smaller, and they're generally about $1 or $2. I don't know, some crystals are of course more expensive. I haven't seen that one, so it's probably not as cheap. It's not all about size, I guess. It's probably a matter of rarity as well. I'm gonna be trying this crystal. It looks really pretty. It's like a tile, I don't know. It's interesting. So that's the white Howlite. And the other thing is the smoky quartz. Good size. But again, I actually got a piece of smoky quartz. It looks really pretty, actually. I went to Salem recently and I got a piece of smoky quartz, maybe like half of the size of this one, and it was $1.50 maybe or $2. So I don't think the smoky quartz is as expensive. Okay, so let me tell you guys my final opinion. I realized that going to an astrologer for a personal reading is gonna be more expensive, but let's be honest, nothing in the box is really that personalized, because I'm getting here a Gemini astrology prognosis, which it's basic. It's just for all the Geminis, and there are so many other factors that are influencing your character or what's happening to you in life. Your personality and just your fate is not only ruled by your sun sign Gemini. Obviously there are many other things that play a role, and that's not personalized to me. They didn't have to work specifically just for one person. They did it for their demographic that it's Gemini, so I don't think that's personalized in my book. The next thing, which it has more material, it's like a longer read, but it's again general about the movements of the planets this month, and it's not specifically how they will impact me. It's about how they will impact everyone, because this is also very general. It's not personally for me. The only thing that is personalized is the tarot card, and I think the idea is interesting, but I personally have a couple of tarot decks, so I can literally take a card for myself for the month. Someone who doesn't have tarot cards will probably appreciate it more. I personally don't appreciate it as much. And this card, when the month's over, what am I gonna do with it? It's not a full deck. Am I gonna be just collecting random tarot cards? I just don't see the purpose, really. It's just the life of this product is not gonna be longer beyond that month. So I don't really see how that benefits me that much. The last thing that I wanted to kind of research was this meditation bowl, which I have no idea how much that costs. So I went on Amazon and I'm looking at a bunch of listings right here, and it looks like most of them are about $20. So I mean, I guess that makes things a little bit better. So this is $20, but I don't see how everything else in the box amounts to like $20 or $30 more. The crystals I don't think are that expensive. The little pieces of paper with the information about the month are not that personalized, so I don't justify them being that expensive. And if I have to talk about my overall verdict for the box, I would say I really appreciate all the care that went into it. I noticed all the small details, and I think everything is very well put together. Like, it has this handmade vibe. But honestly, even though I enjoyed all the products, I don't see how they're worth 50 bucks or $39.99. I just don't feel like I got my money's worth. So I wouldn't recommend this box. Have you ever tried a Witchy subscription box? Are you interested in trying one? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you like my content. I have a bunch of fall content coming up, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!